Thanks for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Hi, Leo Ryan here. Today we're going to make fall off the bone baby back ribs. First thing you want to do is set your oven to 275 degrees. Mine's just warming up. But we're going to open a couple of packages of these ribs and get things started. Always rinse the blood off a little bit. Get a paper towel, pat them dry. You need a piece of foil about this big for each rack of ribs you're going to make, because eventually we're going to fold them up. Right now, you need this paper towel that you just used to dry it off to pull the silver skin off. And the paper towel is really important. It helps you to get this to work easily. Without the paper towel, you'd be here all day. Good enough. Got some rib rub here. Fiesta brand rib rub, but you can use any rib rub or you can make your own. Use a generous amount on both sides. Would you get the cayenne pepper out for me, honey? A little cayenne pepper on. Not too much. A little goes a long way. Kind of make this set it aside. Like that, and we'll get ready for the next. Come on. There we go. That's the oven telling me it's up to temperature. Same process. Pat it dry. not always as easy as that first one was. Sometimes it takes a little effort to get started. And be careful, these bones are pretty sharp where they're cut. You don't have to take the shoulder skin off. A lot of places leave it on, but I like to take it off. They say it helps it penetrate better, the rib rub and all the spices and everything. But this one seems to be giving me trouble. Let's see if we can get it from the other side. No, I don't think we're going to be able to get this one off. Maybe. We'll see. Give it one more try. If not, I'm just going to leave it on. Nope, not gonna work on that one. So, a generous amount of rib rub. Okay. My hand cleaned up some. It should look just like this when you're done. Cayenne pepper. And I'm also going to put a little salt and black pepper. I'm making 4 of these, but I think you'll be able to tell how to do it with 2. I'm just going to put them just like this. Maybe pull this down a little bit so it is out of the way. And then put them in the oven at 275 degrees for 2 hours, just like this. And I'll be back in 2 hours. We'll be back. Okay, we're back. Now I'm going to put sauce on the ribs. I generally sauce them twice. First I sauce them with spicy honey, Kraft spicy honey, and then I do Stubbs spicy. But my wife hates the Stubbs for some reason. And so I'm going to do spicy honey twice on one, or 2 of them, and I'll do the others the other way. But right now, what we're going to do is just pour some directly onto the ribs. Spread it around good with a basting brush. But you can't put too much. If you put too much, it's gonna be a lot of liquid in this, which we'll pour off at the end. Well, we're gonna baste them real good with this. Then we'll wrap them.
Put the stubs in that one? Or later?
I'll put the stubs on later. And we'll put these back in for another 2 hours. I have another 2 racks down here I gotta do as well. I'll put the stubs on later on these. Because I always put both. Excuse me. Same process. I have a really good smoker, electric one, and I have a really good charcoal smoker. But I found that I really can't tell the difference if I smoked them or not. So it's just a lot more work to do that. So I just quit doing that. I cannot tell the difference between smoked and not smoked. Okay. We're going back in for 2 more hours. Alexa, set a 2-hour timer.
2 hours, starting now.
Alexa, are you telling the NSA about my ribs?
Here's something I found on the web.
Shut up,
According
Alexa.
to CNN.com, the
Anyway,
NSA
we'll be
knows
back in
all.
2 hours. Okay, while I'm uploading this video, I keep getting the question, why do I carry a gun? Why are you carrying that gun? Well, I live in Texas. It's legal for me to do so. I feel as though it's better to have one and not need it than need it and not have it. And right now, during the COVID-19 scare, the police are afraid to do their job, and they don't come out to your house if you call them, unless somebody's trying to kill you. So I'll just handle it myself, as I always have. That's why I carry a gun. It's not because I'm some kind of badass or anything like that. It's just because I feel I need to protect my family. That's it. Thank you. Okay, we're back. Now it's time to toss the ribs again. No. Hold this down. Like I told you, there'd be some liquid collected in the bottom of these foil. We'll pour it off when we're done. And this first couple of racks, I'm going to put some stubs on them. And then the others, I'm just going to put Kraft Spicy Honey again for my wife. Because she doesn't like stubs. She's prejudiced against stubs. But I love stubs. It's delicious. And very spicy. It's like eye-opening spicy. And I like things that way. Okay, after this, I'm going to put it back in open like this for 1 to 2 hours. It all depends. You know, every rack of ribs is not exactly made the same, so since the good Lord made them, we have to put them in for as long as it takes. But we're going to leave them open like this last time. Ooh, these are a little hotter than the others. By the way, I turned it up to 300 degrees for that last 2 hours. And I may turn it up to 325 for this next hour. And in an hour, we're going to come back and check, see if they're done. And the way we'll find out is if I grab one of these bones and twist it one way and twist it the other and pull it out and it falls off the bone. If it falls off the bone, they're fall off the bone ribs. And no, we're not going to eat them all today. We vacuum seal these and heat them up again later. And they're delicious. Every single time. You can serve them with mashed potatoes or potato salad, however you like them. And a vegetable or some ranch beans or just however you like them. You did it all. It looks delicious. I mean, it smells good. I wish you could smell it. Okay, we'll be back to check in an hour. Okay, we're back. And I've just taken this pan of ribs out. And I tried one, fell right off the bone. Look here. There you go. Let's see here. It's really hot, so kind of hard to do this without burning yourself. But they just fall off the bone. Ready to go. These are the ones with stubs, so I'm not going to have camera girl taste it. I'll do that myself. You don't need no teeth to eat at Leo's. Well, that's Leo Ryan's fall off the bone baby back ribs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.